Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to activate dark mode in Gmail on Android device. Here I'm using an Infinix Note 30 NFC device, but this step can be applied to all types of Androids. Okay, before going into the tutorial, please click subscribe for more information. The first step you have to do is go ahead and enter the Gmail application on your device. And then here, go ahead and tap the third row in the upper left corner. After that, you can scroll down, and then you can select the settings option. And then, here I can select the general settings and tap the theme option. After that, you can activate dark mode like this. And then the dark mode in your Gmail was successfully applied. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to stimulate dark mode in Gmail on an Android device.